guys, it's me Kylie again, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make some slime. So what I will be using to make the slime is I'm using a bowl, a little fork, I'm using crazy art glue, doesn't matter what kind of glue, baking soda, and warm water, and then just some of these. Okay, so let's get started. So we need first 1/8 of baking. We need 2 of the 1/8 baking soda. Mommy, how do you put the baking soda onto Okay, I was going to try to eyeball it, but okay. So I'm going to do 2 of these. Here's 1. So I'm doing twice the amount that I'm supposed that that the video showed. And 2. Okay, I got 2 of these. I need 4. So, Mommy, which one do I use? Do I do 4 of them? 1/4 or 1/2? So I have to do the 4 scoops? Huh? 1/2. Okay. 4 scoops of 1/2. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Now you make sure the baking soda is dissolved. Makes a cool shadow. It's not dissolving. Be here for a while. It's not dissolving. It's a lot quicker if I have that cool cool mixer. Snack is over. I need a tiny bit more water. I'm not mixing the whole time. Okay. Now we have a bowl. I'm getting our secret bowl seeds. And we're going to pour the glue in. Oh, that was glued shut. Smells like a hotel swimming pool. It's probably too much. It says to pour a little in at a time. And then mix. Oh. And we're seeing if this works. I don't know if it works or not. It's looking like it does. And I'll be right back. I'm back. Too much. It's going to deactivate it and it's not going to be a good song. That's why. Gum's ready. That's good. So yeah, that's how you make this slime. Just flowing slime across the kitchen. Yeah, this is how to make a very good slime that has awesome ASMR already. So yeah. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe and comment down below. Make sure notification is so you never miss any new videos. Bye guys. Peace. Bum, 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 bum. Psh.